Okay, that's it guys, and now I'm going to reveal how much this product costs. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, and if it's not, then thank you for coming back. So in today's vlog, I'm going to share to you the product that Benefit Cosmetics just launched, and that is the Lovetint. So Lovetint is the new lip and cheek tint from Benefit Cosmetics. It is non-drying, long-wearing, smudge-proof, and its applicator allows for precise application. So I'm gonna give you some tips on how to use this product, so keep on watching. Okay, so here's the product, and I'm gonna open this now. Okay, so let's use it first as a cheek. So how to do it, we have to dot and blend quickly onto the cheeks. I want to make a heart instead. Heart na siya. Oh my god, I put too much product, so I have to like spread it na lang. Yes guys, so it only means that a little goes a long way, so you have to be careful. Para dili mo mag... I'm gonna use this. It's actually my first time to use it, so yeah, don't do the same mistakes as I did. But in fairness, yeah, so you just have to dot very little. But anyway, I'm just gonna blend so that I won't look gisag. So how to solve this kind of problem? I'm gonna get a powder foundation. Okay, powder to the rescue. So now you know that you only need a little amount of the product, because a little goes a long way. So now let's move to the lips. I'm gonna teach you how to do ombre lips, just like, you know, Korean style. So first, you only have to dab a little on the inner part of the lip. And then blend outwards with your fingertip. That's it. And I also want to put a bit of like powder or concealer. So that's how you do ombre lips, and it looks more natural, right? So now I'm going to teach you how to do the full lips, which is actually very easy. All you have to do is to outline the lips and then fill in and layer it to build intensely. Okay, that's it guys, and now I'm going to reveal how much this product costs. It's 1,190 pesos. Yeah, it's quite pricey, but you will know that it's worth the price, because at what you saw a while ago, you just need a little product and it's already enough, because a little goes a long way. And also the product is safe. The packaging is nice, but let's disregard the packaging. Your 1,190 can last really long, even if you use this product every day. So let's see if it's really smudge proof, long wearing, non-drying. Okay, and the fourth one, it's easy to apply using the applicator. It's already checked. So time check, it's 16:53. It's 4:53. So I'm gonna show you the result later after dinner. Okay guys, so let me see what time it is. It's 6:50 and yeah, it's still here. It doesn't feel how do you call that, oily, because it's a tint, but it also doesn't feel dry. It's not chappy at all. I cooked curry rice, so I'm gonna eat now and let's see if it's still there. Okay, so I'm gonna drink iced Milo. Oops. Iced Milo. Now I'm gonna eat yogurt. No, it didn't smudge as well. Check. Okay, so now I'm gonna drink water. I'm eating the ice. Okay, so I just finished my dinner and it's still there. Sa kanindot sa benefit products packaging ba, you don't want to throw the box. You know, it's so cute. You want to keep it. But anyway, each box actually has its expiration date of the product. So this lip tint, lip and cheek tint, this is the box. So it has here, the expiration date. That will be on April of 2022. That's 2 years and a half from now. Right. Okay guys, so time check. It's 19:09, 7:09 p.m. and it's after dinner already and I still have it on my lips. So let's see. First, long wearing. Well, that was 4 p.m, 5, 6, 7, 3 hours. I'm not sure later if this will still be here, but yeah, as what you can see, even after eating, it's still on my lips. Second, it's non-drying. Yeah, I didn't experience chappy lips. Third, it's smudge proof. Well, yeah, it didn't smudge. And fourth, it's easy to apply with its applicator, and you saw a while ago how I applied it, and it's really easy to use. So check, 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 check. And it's for you to decide if you want to try this product or not, but before buying, you can go to any benefit store and you can try on their testers there. So yes, I'm so happy with this. So to really check if it's long wearing, I'm gonna show it to you later before I sleep if the lip tint is still on my lips. Hi guys, so time check, it's 23:01, it's 11:01. Okay, here's my phone. So mikat na kay and I'm already wearing my 90s. Okay, so the lip stain or lip tint is still on, and where is siya? Update. Good night everyone, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.